Good morning, or should I say, good everything, because I'm about to dive into the most beautiful, the most fantastic, the most extraordinary world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Welcome to our daily news recap, folks. We've got a ton of exciting updates for you today, so grab a cup of your favorite bean, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Bitcoin is making headlines again, and I'm not just talking about the rallies or the drops. No. Today, we're looking at a very interesting analysis by Jordi Visser, an analyst who thinks that Bitcoin may be entering the initial product offering phase. The reasons are quite encouraging, folks. We're talking about ETF approvals, increased network hash rate, and faith in the asset itself. Now I know what you're thinking. Initial product offering phase. What does that even mean? Well, according to Jordi, it means that Bitcoin is becoming more mainstream, more institutional, and more trusted. Now I'm no expert, but that sounds like a recipe for success to me. Now let's move on to what happened in crypto today. Unfortunately, I don't have access to the full article content, but I can tell you that there's no shortage of exciting news in the world of cryptocurrency. From Bitcoin price fluctuations to innovative new technologies, there's always something new to talk about. So let's move on to our next story. I was thinking, folks, and I realized that there's one thing that can drive investors away from the wonderful world of decentralized finance. Yes, you guessed it. MEV, or maximum extractable value. It's like a hidden tax on retail crypto users, and it's pushing DeFi towards a more centralized model. I mean, who wants that? Not me, that's for sure. But on the bright side, there are some amazing stories out there. Take, for example, the incredible work being done by Europol to combat cryptocurrency-related crimes. I mean, we've all heard the horror stories about North Korean hackers and other nefarious actors trying to exploit the system. But with Europol on the case, I'm sure we'll see some real progress. Now I know some of you might be thinking, wait a minute, isn't crypto leverage trading the next big thing? Well, not according to Daniel Levitt, the former FTX's president. He thinks it's a major problem, and I agree with him. I mean, who wants to risk losing a fortune on a whim? Not me, that's for sure. Now let's take a quick break and talk about something a bit lighter. Blockchain bites, folks. Today, I've got a real treat for you. Here it is. Why did the cryptocurrency miner go to the doctor? Because it had a hash problem. Get it? Hash problem. Never mind, I'll stick to my day job. Alright, let's get back to the news. Bitcoin's traditionally strong October turned out to be a disappointment for investors. But as we all know, markets are unpredictable. That's why we need to stay informed and adaptable. Folks, one thing that's really important in the world of cryptocurrency is access to traditional banking services. I mean, without them, how are crypto companies supposed to manage their finances? It's like trying to run a business without a bank account. Just doesn't make sense. Now let's take a look at some alarming trends in the world of cryptocurrency. In April, for example, $161 million was lost to crypto crimes. That's a staggering number, folks. And if you're wondering how it happened, it's because of a combination of factors, including the rise of supply chain attacks, growing sophistication of attacks, increased focus on decentralized finance, and of course, the lack of regulation and enforcement. But don't worry, folks. There are people out there working tirelessly to combat these issues. Take, for example, the incredible work being done by Mandiant to expose the North Korean hackers' crypto laundering scheme. I mean, we all knew it was happening, but it's great to see someone finally shedding light on the issue. Now let's take a quick look at Oracle manipulation in the world of DeFi. It's a growing concern, folks, and one that we need to take seriously. I mean, who wants to trust their hard earned cryptocurrency to an uncertain oracle? Not me, that's for sure. Alright, folks, that's all for today's news recap. But before we wrap up, I just want to say thanks for tuning in. Whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or just starting out, I'm glad you're here. And to all our new listeners, welcome to the wonderful world of cryptocurrency. Just remember, stay safe, stay informed, and always beware of those hidden taxes. Thanks for listening, everyone.